We've just got a new washer and dryer combo from GE, part of their Profile series. Heard some good things about this one. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control your load while you're washing it via your smartphone, via the Smart HQ app. It's pretty neat. It'll give you notifications on kind of the status of the laundry load, and then when it's done with the dry cycle after it washes. The good thing about this one, if you're kind of like me, just to remove the hassle of like, oh, I got to get home to put the washer clothes into the dryer. This will do that, in a one machine capability here, just by the way it's built. Very simple on the back. It's only literally the drain hose, the hot water hose, and the cold water hose with a 3-prong outlet. I'll give you a look at that. As you can see, it's plugged straight up. Hot water hoses, cold water hose, and then the drain hose, and that's literally it. And then once you remove the shipping bracket and plugs off the back, you're pretty much set to get this thing rolling. The cool thing about this too is the front of the screen here is all touch, right? So it'll walk you through a couple QR codes to get it set up, and then once you're connected to Wi-Fi, really, you can start controlling it from your phone, and it gives you all the options here. You can see normal, delicates, a mode there for bulky bedding, for example, a couple menu options, the soil type, temp you'd like to wash it, and then so on and so forth. So you can see there's the wash options. You can see it's got the smart dispense detergent. What's great about that is it's got the reservoir to give you, there you go, 50 ounces of detergent, and then it's got the other buckets here for you to fill in with the appropriate liquid. Pretty neat, and it'll send you notifications on kind of when it's running low, and then you see there for fabric softener, it's got 32 ounce capacity here in the storage bin. The dryer lint, you can see there, pretty simple and easy to take out. You can push this little prong here and it'll slide out. And then you can open the tab if you ever need to move the lint foam filter to clean that. And then, those 3 compartments kind of close there. You can see the opening gate here opens up on the right side on mine. It's a little glimpse at the 10-year limited warranty, and look at that thing. Just absolutely pristine with the micro band blue shield here along the washer door to prevent kind of bacteria from growing. And then obviously you want to keep this dry whenever you can. Pretty neat and pretty bright in there as well. And then the finish on this is a nice graphite color. I know some companies are trying to get out there by making all these weird colors, but I'm a guy, so I kind of prefer this one personally. But yeah, there's a quick look at the GE Profile combo, and this will wash and dry your clothes without having to move it from the washer into the dryer. So pretty neat stuff. And then especially that it's got the 3-prong electrical connector, so you can pretty much connect it anywhere without having to worry about switching cables. If you got any questions, go ahead, comment down below, or leave a comment and I'll follow up best I can. Thanks.